I'm talking about router protocol. Router is a true definition of what a solution for interoperability should be. Right now, we have the two main interoperability solutions as Polkadot and Cosmos, but these are ecosystem-based. The true functionality of this interoperability lies on whether you are part of its ecosystem or you are not. But Router is building a better infrastructure for this. So Router Chain is changing the game of blockchain interoperability, and is doing so by introducing its new protocol, the concept of a programmable middleware for the first time ever in Web3. Router Chain is a proof-of-stake layer 1 blockchain and is built leveraging Tendermint's Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus engine. And Router Chain inherits all the features of Cosmos: fast block times, robust security mechanisms. In addition to its functionalities as a blockchain network, the Router Chain provides an innovative solution to the problem of blockchain interoperability. Apart from validating state changes on the Router Chain, validators running on the Router Chain also monitor state changes on other chains. Applications on the Router Chain leverages a trustless network of layers to update state on external chains. Simply put, the router architecture allows contracts on one chain to interact with contracts on other chains in a secure and decentralized manner. The Router Chain also implements a CrossTalk library. The library is an extensible cross-chain framework, and it enables seamless state transitions across multiple chains. In simple terms, this library leverages routers' infrastructure to allow contracts on one chain to pass instructions to contracts deployed on other chains without the need for deploying any contracts on the Router Chain. There is also what we call OmniChain. It's a framework introduced and is best suited for applications requiring stateful bridging logic or a decentralized accounting layer. And third, we'll be talking about the Voyager suite. Developers can use abstractions of this native cross-chain as a transfer bridge to build applications like cross-chain yield aggregation. And so I think Router Protocol itself have built a Voyager swap using this, and it's a cross-chain swap that enables users to swap tokens irrespective of the blockchain they are built on. So to summarize what Router is building for developers, it provides three ways using which developers can build cross-chain applications. Like we've talked before, OmniChain framework is a middleware contract on the Router Chain. And then we have the CrossTalk framework and the Voyager. It's leveraging global liquidity with message transfers. So Router Protocol is backed by Coinbase Ventures and also Polygon, as well as many other VC firms. So let's talk about the token, right? This token has recorded an all-time high of $16, but it's a whole different thing now. It is now a layer 1 focused on solving blockchain interoperability. So I think it's going to do very, very well. By the way, the DevNet is live and running, and looking at the roadmap this year, we can even see the mainnet. So it's awesome. The Route token is a utility token built for the Router ecosystem. It's going to be used as gas currency, and is going to also be used to incentivize validators, and is going to be used as a crosstalk fees. And also when governance is introduced, it's going to help people, or is going to allow holders to vote on issues of the Router ecosystem. Talking more about the cryptocurrency, it's now trading at $2.47. And I think it's going to do massively well. It has a fully diluted market cap of 49 million. So it's still undervalued to my definition. Yes, everything now depends on Bitcoin and also the general picture of how the entire economy of the world performs in the next couple of years. 53% of the tokens are in circulation, and based on the circulating supply, the market cap is at 26 million, and the maximum supply is 20 million, and now we have 10.6 million in circulation. It's trading on KuCoin, Uniswap. It's not on Binance and Coinbase yet, but it's already on KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi, and all that. But you can also get it on decentralized applications like Uniswap. And there is also a good decentralized exchange, DeFi. I think you have to also check it out. It's built on the Router Chain, so it's awesome. The narrative of interoperability has worked out very well in the last bull market. and we saw Cosmos and Polkadot doing very well, and the ecosystem of these protocols doing very, very well. But the way that router protocol is solving the interoperability is quite different from these two. They are trying to bring together all the blockchains that are built separately to make them function together. Well, as we've talked about many other things, let's talk about the price prediction. It's something of that sort, right? Let's look at it. So it has a maximum supply of 20 million. That's it. All the tokens that are ever going to exist, the maximum supply is 20 million. And now it's trading at $2.47. So even if it gets to $10, the market cap will only be 20 million, and that's fully diluted market cap. So at $100, it will have a fully diluted market cap of $2 billion. And I think with what this blockchain, especially the new introduction of the layer 1 blockchain, is going to try to achieve, if it achieves that, then I think $100 is going to be minimum. Really, it's going to be a small amount. So it's the price and everything is very similar to Quant Network, right? I remember making a video about Quant Network many years ago, though. It's a long time from now, and it was trading at $2, something of that sort. And I made a video about how it was going to reach $100, and it did. It did. And so this one too, I'll probably make a video about that. But I think if I make a video about this, it's probably should do $1,000 or something. But I would say if you buy this protocol, this router protocol, and you have a price prediction or a price target of $100, is reasonable. And I think in the next bull cycle, it's likely we will go above that price. So welcome to Investor Vibe. Please, if you have not subscribed, take a moment and subscribe.